In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Hailuo AI account, and this is actually quite simple. So once you are signed in to Hailuo AI, you just want to go over here to your profile icon at the top right, you want to hover over it, and then click on Manage Account. From here, you can then see it says delete account, and you simply want to click delete my account. And then as you can see over here, it says, are you sure? Account deletion is permanent and irreversible. And then by deleting your account, all your videos and personal data will be permanently erased, any remaining account balance will be forfeited, your subscriptions will be terminated immediately, and you will not be eligible for new user bonuses when you register again. Over here it also says this account cannot be undone, please consider carefully before proceeding. And then to verify, you want to type your account below. So you have to type in your email account over here, so just type in your email address, okay, which for me is like this. There we go. And then once you've done that, you want to press cancel plan and delete account. And once you do this, your account will be deleted. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.